Today, we will show you how to remove and replace your power control board on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we'll start with the doors open here, and we'll have to remove this kick plate on the bottom. And what I want you to do is get a tack puller or something that you can fit between the kick plate and the refrigerator frame. Just give it a twist and start to move yourself across. And just keep doing the same thing. Eventually, you'll be able to pull it out of here and see how it clips with these on the top and the bottom. And then slide into here. We'll go ahead and set this to the side. Now that we have the kick plate removed, we have clear access to our control assembly under here. Now, in order to take this off, we're going to want to use a pair of pliers. You'll grab this lip. I want you to pull down and pull out, and you'll slide it out of the side rails and past the locking mechanism. Pull it all the way out so we can work on it here. Now, there are various reasons why you'd be replacing this control board, anywhere from no power to maybe your compressor isn't running, etc. Now, you'll want to refer back to your tech manual to find out where you need to test for what component. Visual inspections on here are great because in the past I've seen a lot of these that maybe you'll have a blown capacitor and you'll notice that the top is actually lifted up. If you notice that, it's an automatic sign that it's going to need to be replaced. Now to start, we're going to want to take all of our Molexes off here. They usually have some sort of locking pin on them, prevent them from just flopping off. So you'll have to pinch it and pull. Then we have to take this wiring out of the housing. There are multiple strain relievers on here that you will need to take out. Just use a small screwdriver, go inside the locked side and lift them up. Pull off all of your harnesses and remember where they went and set the control board to the side. When installing your new control, we obviously need to start with putting the wiring in. So try to slide it about where you think that it was. Start locking these in. You had a white on each side as well as the smaller ones in the middle. I'm just kind of lining these up depending on the space of the wiring. We will reinstall any strain relievers. Let's go ahead and plug our wiring back in. And they can only go in one way, so you are not going to mix them up. The only one that's a little bit different is the back one here, the smaller one. You'll want to put that on the rearmost position harness. Now we need to reinstall the housing back into the cabinet. When you do this, you you're just going to kind of push back on the wiring as you're going. Now inside, we have 2 side rails that this will slide into. So let's start to move everything back, position it where those side rails are, and then you should be able to slide it in, do it till it clips. Now we can reinstall the kick plate. When reinstalling your kick plate, we're going to go underneath the hinges. You do need to have the doors open. Make sure your water line on the side fits under here nicely. Get it lined up and just start to push it into place, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.